I used to spend around 4 to 5 hours every day doing the same boring tasks. Writing, editing, voiceovers, everything. Then I tested a simple AI workflow, and it cut that down to about 10 minutes. In this video, I'll show you exactly what I did, step by step, so you can do the same. If you're creating content, running a small business, or even freelancing, you already know how time-consuming basic tasks can be. Writing scripts, editing videos, coming up with ideas, it all adds up. I wasn't lazy, I was just tired of doing everything manually. First thing I replaced was writing. Instead of staring at a blank screen, I used AI to generate ideas and a rough script. I didn't just copy-paste it, I tweaked it to sound like me. That alone saved me at least 1 to 2 hours. Next was voiceover. Instead of recording multiple takes, I used AI text-to-speech to get a clean voice instantly. You can adjust tone, speed, even emotion. It's not perfect, but it's fast, and for most content, it works. Then comes the video itself. I used simple tools to turn the script into visuals, stock clips, auto captions, basic transitions. No heavy editing, no overthinking. The goal wasn't perfection, it was speed. The real game changer was combining everything. Script, voice, visuals, all flowing together. Once you build this once, you can repeat it daily. That's how I went from hours of work to minutes. Before this, one video could take me half a day. Now, I can finish one in under 10 to 15 minutes. And honestly, most people won't even notice the difference. If you're still doing everything manually, you're just wasting time at this point. Start small. Replace one task with AI. Then build from there. That's exactly how I did it. If you want, I can break down the exact tools I use in another video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.